Now, today was the first day that we saw APE, the AMC preferred equity trading, and it was a very interesting day. It was wild this morning with halt after halt after halt, and then things started to break down throughout the afternoon into the end session, and we did see both AMC and APE move lower, and we also saw a combined value lower than we were on Friday. So I do want to discuss what we saw happening with AMC stock and APE stock today. I want to discuss what it means moving forward because, yes, I mean, as we know, we did not get the AMC stock short squeeze today. As we know, there are still people that don't have APE in their portfolio, but I do want to say we need to buckle down. We need to stay strong because things are probably going to get harder now than they have been in the past. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And look, everything is on a dip. Today was a massive down day for the entire stock market, for the crypto market, for AMC, and for APE. So we could have some buying opportunities coming our way here, especially with these lower prices. But I want to talk about AMC and I want to talk about APE because Adam Aron has made it very clear multiple times over the last couple of days that your new value in AMC is the combination of AMC and APE. And this morning, that was very interesting. When APE started trading, I believe it started trading somewhere around the $6 range, and AMC was still in the $12 to $13 range. We had APE rise up to roughly $10, and AMC rose up to roughly, I believe it was $13 and some change. So we had a combined value of $23 per share today, and very quickly that began to fade. Guys, Friday the close was $18 per share. Today, it was $23 and fell all the way back down to a combined value of roughly $16 per share. That is a loss from Friday, and that is a very large loss in combined value from $23 to $16. Now, a lot of people, I knew this was going to happen. A lot of people are blaming this on the fact that the markets are manipulated, that hedge funds are just beating down the price of APE now as well. And the crazy thing to me is it's every time a stock goes down, it's not a hedge fund that's just beating it down in price. People do sell shares. And of course, you saw it floating around on social media that nobody is selling shares of APE. Well, guys, I can almost guarantee, nobody can say for certain why a stock price is moving, why people are buying, why people are selling. There's a lot of speculation that goes into that. But with 4 million retail holders and a few thousand that watch videos and are active on Reddit and active on Twitter, there were probably millions of people out there who have no idea why APE showed up in their portfolio today. They have no idea that it's necessary to restrict the supply of APE the same as it is AMC if they expect this short squeeze to continue on and dilution to not be a factor. I can guarantee that they went out there and they sold their shares of APE not knowing what they were. And this happened in a great quantity. We saw 120 million shares of APE being traded today and 150 million shares of AMC being traded today. And of course, it looks terrible when you see a 40% decline in AMC and you're not correlating that with the value of APE that you just received in your portfolio. So I'm sure there were a lot of very confused investors today with what was going on, especially when it comes to the volume that we saw, a combined 270 million shares being traded today. It's just, you can draw certain inferences from things like that. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense that we saw so much APE and so much AMC traded and especially sold today. Now, guys, why do I say that it's going to get harder? I've seen several people, Meet Kevin, shout out to you, man. Meet Kevin was out there today talking about selling APE and buying AMC. Although I don't think that that's a bad strategy. Now he owns the same amount. I mean, think about it. He still controls the same amount of votes. He just sold his APE to get his AMC. But people are beating him down on social media, man. It's not just anything. It's not even acceptable anymore to go and own AMC. Now we're going to have to buy both of the floats. Now we're going to have to buy all billion shares. Now we're going to have to make sure that we eat up all of Adam Aaron's future dilution. And here's the interesting part that really throws me for a loop, that I almost guarantees to me that things are going to get harder. A lot of people have been brainwashed to think that this APE is going to be a good dilution in the sense that it raises money for AMC. A lot of people say that, well, with the further dilution with APE, we are going to see AMC raise a lot of money and dilute the stock even further. And they say, yes, well, it's going to make AMC a stronger company. They're going to be able to pay their debt down, and they're going to be able to acquire new theaters and so on. And although that is true, guys, that money comes from somewhere. You have to remember that. And when they sell additional shares of APE, what is going to be happening is, yes, AMC is going to be raising money. Yes, AMC is potentially going to be able to pay off its debt. But what it's going to be raising that money from are institutions and hedge funds. They are going to sell directly to the institutions, and that money is going to feed or fund the vote of these institutional buyers. AMC ownership by retail will be a smaller percentage, therefore diluting the retail investors' overall, percentage ownership in AMC. And as soon as they accumulate enough shares to cover their short shares, there's no more short interest. You know what I mean? Like, there's no other way to put that. There's no more short interest. So either the retail investors are going to have to single-handedly fund AMC's debt and future acquisition, desires, and billions of more dollars poured into AMC, or we're going to lose the short interest. So we have to maintain this idea that this is not going to be easy. We're going to need to eat at least another 400 million shares of APE if we expect to continue this short squeeze idea and keep the short interest relatively similar to what it's currently at. Yes, it is a good idea for AMC if AMC pays off its debt. But if AMC is a debt-free company, it's not a $50 billion company, guys. It doesn't justify $50 price points. It doesn't justify these levels that we want to see. AMC is not a multi-billion dollar conglomerate. Although Adam Aaron would love to see AMC worth that, and it would be very nice, but it's going to be extremely difficult to justify diluting shares, forgetting about a short squeeze. You need short interest for a short squeeze, and then justifying AMC trading based on its fundamental value. And that's what Adam Aaron and a lot of people who support AMC are trying to do now. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below your guys' thoughts on what's happening here. We did not see the short squeeze triggered today. We did not see shorts having a difficult time with AMC and APE. And what we have now is a road to future dilution. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.